From the lifetime of the Greek philosopher Anaxagoras in the 5th century BCE to the 14th century CE, earthquakes were usually attributed to air vapors in the cavities of the earth. Thales of Miletus, 625 to 547 BCE, was the only documented person who believed that earthquakes were caused by tension between the earth and water. Other theories existed, including the Greek philosopher Anaximenes, 585 to 526 BCE. Beliefs that short incline episodes of dryness and wetness caused seismic activity. The Greek philosopher Democritus, 460 to 371 BCE, blamed water in general for earthquakes. Pliny the Elder called earthquakes underground thunderstorms.